Here we come to the elevators at 3300 Washington Boulevard in Arlington, Virginia. We got some Westinghouse elevators that are mod in progress. Oh, I love that bell. Love the chime. The elevator is a little dark in here, so Westy wants to close when he wants to close. Here we are on the ground floor. On the 7. Love the chime on this one. Here we are at 7. Yeah. You can see a little bit out the window of the elevator top door a little bit. But this is still original for now, but but the inner capacity is 3,500 pounds. But yeah, gonna go one more time. Look, you can see out that door a little bit. Yeah, it's like a window or a light. It's light, it's not in the shaft. Yeah, it's lights on in the shaft. So that means that elevator is an independent service. I think it's going through inspections, the first car, but the door that has plastic on it or some type of plaster. Here we are at 1. There goes the elevator, there it goes. And that'll be it.